Oh yes, all right. Welcome back from that short break. So let's continue and we'll look at other things. So from last video, I tried to prove that, showing you that y is root 2 an irrational number. I think you understood it. Thank you for understanding it. Now let's proceed to inequalities. So inequalities, so this is one of the technical topics we have in mathematics. As you see, inequalities, it is just an opposite of equalities, meaning that in inequalities we don't have equalities. And equalities, for some of you, when we say equalities, we mean we have two sides and they are equal. There we are talking about equalities. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side. So if this is the case, then we are talking about equalities. But here we are talking about inequalities, meaning this is an opposite of this. So where left hand side, it can never be equal to left hand side. How? That means here a reader or someone who wants to understand this topic here must be well familiar with various notations. If, for example, if I say A is greater than B, A is greater or equal to B, A is less than B, or B or A is less or equal to B. So if I say A is less than A, let me begin with this one here. If I say A is greater than B, it means that A is not equal to B. Same applies to all those four cases I've written there. So they can never be equal. So that's why all these, they fall under inequalities here. But if they are equal, then we would be falling in equalities here. Okay, so let's proceed and go to maybe the values. If I have something like x less than 3, it means x is not equal to 3. It means x it is some other value less than 3. X, for example, e.g. x can be 2, 1, negative, etc. And a value that is less than or that is below 3, it means it satisfies this expression here. If I say x is greater than 3, it means x can be any value that is above 3. You don't include in 3. Why? Because it is saying greater than. So it can be 4, 5, 6, etc. But if we have x, if it is x less or equal, it means you begin with 3. Strictly you have to begin with 3. Same applies here. If they say x is greater or equal to 3, strictly you have to begin with 3. So if I'm to draw this on a number line, I can say this is my number line, and I know that this is my 0, this is my 1, 2, 3, and the process continues. And also this side is for negatives. So if it is x less than 3, you just stand on 3, put on a circle like this. If it is less than, it means all these values. So this is expression for x less than 3. But if it is x less or equal to 3, you just have to shade it. Just shade it, meaning also 3 itself is included. Then you do this. So this is just the difference, and it is very important that you should know this, because it is applied each and everywhere when it comes to inequalities. So thank you for watching. You can like, subscribe and comment. Have a good day.